This is another app that's going to help you earn money online. It's about testing apps and sites that you'll be required to do. First of all, you have to register yourself, complete the registration. Number two, ensure you put in your languages that you understand better. Like now, if it's English, you have to click whether it's native or not. If you know several languages, it's good, and there you just click on the plus button and add on more languages that you feel you are capable of communicating well without and writing well. Then choose your location and where you are located. At the same time, which country you are located. Click the button continue. At the same time, the app itself is called Testing IO. Complete registration. The 5 steps registration are quite free and very simple. There you have to add in your education level and time of employment. Complete these tasks and start testing. Let's see the app results, how it works out. To test IO, this is an app that's going to help you see and test apps and sites that are going to help you, helping the producers and testers on how these apps, and give your opinion on testing them. Now this is my account. I've just logged in because I don't want to go back to issues on signing up and everything. It's quite simple. You just follow the steps and sign up. We have covered a lot of apps and sites that require your email confirmation and accepting the terms and conditions. So today I want to show you direct to the app itself and how you're going to navigate on it and register yourself. So after registering, you sign in, you'll see yourself here. Let's first of all look at the ranking. It's loading up. Now you'll find yourself logged in and you'll see your account on the first row. At the same time, other guys who are working in the first one, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and they have earned thousands of points that they have done all over here. So what you have to do is, this app will pay you in terms of dollars, or it depends with the currency that you want to withdraw in. And on the other side, let's see the dashboard. When you open up your dashboard, it will explain to you the steps and what you're supposed to do. Like here they're saying, we are a global community of software testers. Take your time to learn about the platform and rules. The best thing I love with this app is they give you some information and they train you on how it works out. So it's upon you to take the steps and learn. Even if you have no clue on what goes around, you can follow on their courses. They are free of charge whenever you sign up, and then you'll get onboarding steps that will help you to sign up everything, get the quiz and start the course. Onboarding testing, like submit at least 3 functional bugs and have 50% of them approved. This can be achieved throughout multiple onboarding testing. These are just some of the activities that you can go on learning and see what other user stories are here. Those people who have been working here for long, and you go on unlocking from one test to another. So that is it. And what you have to do, there is also an academy that you have to submit and subscribe to it. It's something like it's free of charge. Like now here, how to get started testing, how to start testing with Test IO. The Test IO platform, general information about the platform, include rules and regulations. Of course, in any platform or any site, there must be terms and conditions and rules of their game. So what you have to do is ensure you sign up and read the terms and conditions so you don't infringe their rights and be logged out. At the same time, we have mechanics of testing, like bug type assessment and bug reports, test types and tests, the ones that you are there. Testing tools like the VPN, proxy, retrieve crash logs, and so much more. So there is an interesting thing that I wanted us to look at: information about monthly payment, how to request them, and different types. When you click on them, you'll find there are several articles here that will show you how you're going to be paid. How do you get paid as a tester? Bug report payout, and then reproduction payout. How much can I make with the reproduction, and when are they being paid? If you have any dispute payout, you can just look at this article and then read how they do. Then there is also a bonus payout, you see. So Read through the frequent asked questions, answers and common questions regarding payment at test.io. I want to click that and then put this clear that what do you need on my tax number. So there are a lot of things they will need from you, to inquire from you, so that they can ascertain that they are working with the real human beings, because we have robots also who are working here. So they will need your tax numbers, where you are logged in, and of course your PayPal account that you'll need. Some banks need a bit longer for transfers than others, so they are trying to explain to you that whenever payments happen, some other countries, people will wait longer for the banks to transact your account. So it can take some days until the payout is on your bank accounts. If you request an invoice until the 19th of a month and you still haven't received your payment at the first day of the following month, please contact us via the support. They have provided contacts where you can get the support. I want to see now some of the activities you can follow here. Like I said before you'll choose the gadget that you're using. Whether you're using a mobile phone, it must be maybe an Android or iOS, depends with the country that you're and your location. You're using a tablet, you're using maybe, let's say, you're using a computer, Mac, or you have to choose the type of the gadget that you're using. Like for example, here on my account I've chosen an Android, and at the same time you can still edit some of the gadgets that you recently acquired for you to carry on your testing. We have, for example, if you have smart TVs, you can choose I have a smart TV, or you can choose several. You have a tablet, you have streaming equipments, or wearable gadgets. Like we have smartwatches, which are very good when it comes to creating and different functions that they do. So it depends with what you have, and then choose it on. They have given a browser in options here, that whenever you choose the gadget that you're using at the moment, you have to click here and browse it and bring it on board. So whenever you confirm, that means you are already in. So what happens is you'll wait on your dashboard. Keep checking your dashboard all the time. This is where your account, when you finish maybe one of the service, your completed tasks will come here, and then you'll see the update on payment and everything, your billing. What you have to do, you will choose the payment method. You go to your profile, choose your payment method. If it's PayPal, we have an awesome thing here that they are trying out. It's called an M-Pesa Express process, that whenever you click on the M-Pesa, you'll add in your M-Pesa number, and then all the time whenever the transaction is complete, you'll just click on the M-Pesa transaction, and then you wait some 2 days, and then you'll find your amount is credited to your account. That's an M-Pesa account. So you'll have to choose archive if you want to check around. Take for example, you have done like 3 or 4 5 testing apps and sites, and then you can check on the archives and see how you performed. The ratings will be ranking automatically on this site, so it depends with how you'll work around. And then after you get the right thing, or maybe you do some 3 or 4, you can be the best of the best and keep on adding more knowledge as you go on this platform. The courses that have been there, the best thing, the bonus that I wanted to show you today is you can invite other testers and earn money. Imagine $5 for every tester you refer who fulfills the following requirements. The tester signed up, he has been approved after the onboarding test and submitted at least 5 accepted bugs for that. So you'll have your unique, this is my unique referral link that I'll leave in the description box, that you'll copy and use it to also register as a tester on test.io. What about it? Is just making money online. This and this we are trying to read and see. If you need more money and you feel like you have more that you need to know about how to make money online, click on the link below. I've left the link there, and see some of other apps and sites that will help you make more money online. And if you feel like you have no time, you just want to receive this through your email address, the link on the description down below, click on it. The third link, you'll find my email address and everything, and let's share on social media and everything and see how to make money online in Kenya 2020. This app is quite simple. Copy this link, use this link referral to also sign up as a tester. Keep on checking on your dashboard and see whether you have any activities to carry on every day. So keep waiting and keep also checking around. What you have to do is, what I can advise is, use the academy and the free courses that they have given for you to learn more about how to do testing. The articles given by the lady here, she has written 2 articles. Then we have the Test.io platform, general information about how the platform, including our rules, the tester and everything. You'll go down. The reason I wanted to also share something here, that miscellaneous, different information about general topics that do not fit into other categories. So you'll also learn the things and what's so confusing and what's not out, what is out there that you are supposed to clear the airwaves on IO academic testing. So we have also troubleshooting. You'll learn a lot. So keep here and see yourself in the next video. This is Arnest Digits. Subscribe.